Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to cook a Japanese stir-fried udon. And today I'm going to use some Japanese ingredients such as mirin, but I also use some oyster sauce, which is primarily for Chinese cooking. And as for the ingredients wise, I have some bell peppers, so that is definitely not something that is commonly used in Asian cooking. So all in all, today I'm going to have a fusion recipe for you. But this recipe, I've tried it for many times and I find it's really tasty, and that's why today I would like to share it with you. This is the udon. I've got it from the market. It is fresh udon. You may want to use some dry one, but you have to cook it like boiling spaghetti for a few minutes. But since I'm using the fresh one, I can just use it straight away. Although the noodle is already cooked, but it's easier to stir fry the noodle if it's loosened. So I'm going to put it into water and loosen the noodles. Now I've loosened the udon, so now let's drain the udon by using a colander. Okay, so now let's proceed to prepare other ingredients. Today I'm only cooking for myself. So if you want to cook more portions, what you need to do is just to double up all the ingredients. I use beef to cook the udons today, but of course you can use other meat. For example, you can use chicken as a substitute. Cut the beef across the grain thinly so that it is easy to stir fry. Season the beef with some salt, a little bit of cornstarch since we are going to pan fry it, some oil since my beef is quite lean, and a small amount of baking soda, which is used by the Chinese chef as tenderizer. Now with my clean hand, mix everything together and then leave it aside for 15 minutes to marinate the beef. Besides that, I've also prepared some other ingredients for this recipe. I got 2 different colors of bell peppers, some celery, chopped garlic, and some sliced onions, and also some shiitake mushrooms. I soaked them in water until soft. This is the shiitake mushroom before I soak it in water. And also the beef. These are the ingredients we need for the recipe. Then how about the seasonings? Today I use a combination of Japanese and Chinese. So I have some Japanese shoyu, some dark soy sauce, some mirin, sesame oil, oyster sauce, salt and pepper of course. And I also add some black pepper because black pepper goes well with my beef. Combine all the seasonings in a bowl. Okay, it's time to cook. Let's start with the beef first. Add some oil. Once it is hot enough, add the marinated beef. And try to spread the beef single layer. Sear the beef on both sides. Then remove the beef and leave the oil in the wok. Saute the onions with the remaining oil. Then add the chopped garlic. When the color of the onions has changed, add the vegetables and the mushrooms. Now add the udon to the wok or the skillet and a little bit of water because I drained the udon and it's quite dry. The sauce that we have prepared, the black pepper, and mix everything together. And don't forget the beef. Okay, looks good. All right. Now we're going to do a taste test before I serve. Let's try. It's very good. I don't need to adjust anything. So I'm going to remove it from the wok and to serve. And some toasted sesame. That's how to make stir-fried udon with black pepper and beef, and I use Japanese and Chinese seasonings. You get the best of both. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video. Bye for now.